Hi, this is Jake. In this video, I'm going to be going over the File Upload Forms app inside of the PowerUp apps. Now, the File Upload Forms app allows you to, like it sounds, create a form that allows for files to be uploaded into Infusionsoft, into specifically the contacts file box. This is a useful feature because this feature is not available out of the box in Infusionsoft on any web forms or landing pages. And sometimes there are scenarios where you need to collect a specific document or documents from your clients. And so this app can come in handy in those cases. So let's go ahead and actually set up one. So we'll go add a file upload form. In this case, I'm going to call this contractors W9. So this might be used for me to help collect W9s from any of my contractors. The visible form header, this could be a title or instructions. We would say upload your W9 below, something like that. Redirect URL, this is like the thank you page that you want to take them to, or it could be redirecting them onto another form to collect additional information. If it was going on to another form, you'd likely want to pass the contact details through. That way they can be auto-filled onto the next page. Submit button, we'll probably put this just as submit, but this could be something like upload or whatever you want it to say for the button. Tag to be applied on successful form submission. I'm going to I have one set up that's, I believe, W9 uploaded. There we go. And I'm going to add this really quick, but then the next step here is doing the new upload section. So this is where you actually specify what the file to be uploaded. And so in this case, I'm going to say your W9 right here. And then the file prepend text, this prepends to the beginning of each upload file inside of Infusionsoft. It just helps you know what this file is in case that person who's uploading this, the file that they have, the name of it, maybe doesn't have W9 in it. This will help you keep track of that in Infusionsoft. Also, the min file count and max file count, you can increase this to where you could allow them to upload multiple files, like multiple W9s potentially, though that doesn't really make sense. But there might be other scenarios where it could be multiple files and you can increase the minimum number of files you want in there. And in this case, we want this required. And then that's pretty much it. Though, if you wanted to, you could potentially add additional files that you're collecting here. I can't think of a good scenario for the W9, but in other scenarios, you might be collecting multiple types of different documents, and this would be a good setup for that, where you can keep adding multiples files that you want to be collecting. So let's just go with that. Now we can get the form URL. Here is the snippet below. You can paste this into an Infusionsoft thank you page, this one right here. This one is if you're putting this into the thank you page of an Infusionsoft web form. So this is the URL you're redirecting them to versus just embedding it in an Infusionsoft thank you page itself. And then this is the one if you're sending it through via like an email or link, you can actually have it hosted directly on the PowerUp apps and go through from there. So let's actually do this last one, though I'm going to remove the contact ID just so you get an idea. So if there's no contact ID passed, then the first name and email fields will appear. So that way we can collect it and hopefully dupe check off of their email. If a contact ID is passed, like it is right here, I'm going to paste this in, which will automatically get merged in. Then the first name and last name fields disappear. We won't ask for those because they're really not needed at that point. And you can just automatically move on to just collecting the files that you want from them. So in this case, I don't really have a W9 available, but I could kind of show you what this looks like. It gives them a nice preview of what they're uploading, and then they can submit it, and this would actually upload this document to their Infusionsoft file box. So if we submit that, it takes me over to Google, which is my thank you page. And then if I go into file box here, I can see W9 appended, right there, and DeWitt Solutions logo. And then also the W9 uploaded tag will have just been applied. Anyway, so this gives you an idea of how the file upload form app works. Let us know if you have any questions. You can always send us questions via email. Or if you'd like a new feature added to this app or other apps, or a new app altogether, just send that to us, and we'll be happy to help you. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.